بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Narrated Umar bin al-Khattab, I heard Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, saying, "The reward of deeds depends upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended." So whoever emigrated for worldly benefits or for a woman to marry, his emigration was for what he emigrated for. Narrated Aisha radiallahu anha, Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, "O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you?" Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, replied, "Sometimes it is revealed, like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says." Aisha radiallahu anhu added, "Verily I saw the Prophet being inspired divinely on a very cold day and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over.